Welcome guys, thank you so much for watching my video. In this video I will show you how you can buy the Sphynx token using your Trust Wallet account easily, and the current price of the Sphynx token is the 0.01 Satoshi, almost 0.07% up within a day. So when you see the 3 month time graph of this token is almost on a dip and it's almost on a dip stage, and this is the right time to buy these tokens. I'm not your financial advisor, please do your own research and do not invest the single penny without any proper research and other taking platform. You can take here the market of this token is almost on the Pancakeswap. You can easily buy from there. Also I will show you how you can buy this easily from the Pancakeswap data. Guys, the Sphinex tokens will provide an all-in-one solution for the trading, farming, and the staking holders. So when you check the website of the Sphinex tokens, it will show you here the amount of the trading and the staking and the farming platform out there can be overwhelming and the difficult to navigate, and they created a massive barrier to entry for the those who to the world for the crypto trading. Guys, this token is upon themselves. It makes the experience simpler for to make this experience smoother and the faster by the wrapping everything a trader needs into the simple platform. So instead of swapping between the 5 different platforms to manage and grow one's portfolio, and this token gives the traders and holders alike the ability to remain own one and the rule above them all. Guys, this token almost have the great future. You can also buy this token on the MetaMask, and first of all you have to transfer your BNB to the MetaMask. I will show you from the MetaMask, not I will show you from the Trust Wallet account how you can buy. First you have to copy the contract address of the Phoenix tokens from there. Copy that token, then go to your Trust Wallet account. When you go to Trust Wallet account, open the pancakeswap.finance website here. Click here the amount of the BNB, how much you want to spend there. Then select here the currency which want to buy. I will paste the contact address to the Swanex token. Click on the import button, click I understand, then click on the import. Here you will see here the amount of the how much 3.82 will be the Swanex token for this, and click on the swap button. Let's check how much BNB fees cash will be executed with this token. Guys, the transaction cannot succeed due to the error on the Pancakeswap. Guys, when you feel this issue or some type other error occurs using the swapping, you can go to my channel and watch my this latest video here. You check my thumbnail here, this is the video how you can fix the pancake swap transaction issue, or watch my popular this video. In this way you can easily solve your pancake gas solution problems. So now I will fix this issue. uh, how will you can I will just change the amount of the BNB tokens from there. So you see here I will automatically change the, so the smart contract call is executing. So here you check the network fees of the token is almost $0.7, and my maximum total will be spending here 0.77 because I will not uh, buy this token right now because it's almost I do not have any BNB right now. So when the token you have purchased, so simply go to your Trust Wallet account, then click on the new token here, paste here the contact address of that token, then click on the add custom token, then select the smart chain BNB, paste here, then automatically your token will appear. Click on the done button, then when you check the analytics of the token here, this is will be shows. I hope guys you understand. Thank you so much.